Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Blender. So first you have to go up to the search tab, do blender.org, and then it's going to bring you to this website. So then you could go to download, or you could go here. It's two different ways. If you go here, it brings you to the same place if you click the other one. So now you could just go click download, and this is for Windows. So basically all you have to do, click that, and then the files is going to show up. Then the exe is going to show up once you're done clicking out that you've applied for everything, and that's it. It's kind of that simple. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.